Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change the ringtone in this device. Simply go to settings and scroll down. Here you can see the option sounds and vibration. Tap on this one. Then again scroll down. Here you can see the option ringtone. Tap on this one. So here you can see some options under system themes. You can see classic themes and aquamorphic themes. These two themes are inbuilt themes ringtone. From here you will get inbuilt ringtone. You will get here. Now you can see the ringtone is it's realme. So to change your ringtone, tap on this classic themes or aquamorphic themes. Okay. So here you can see lots of ringtone you can see here. So simply here I am going to select this one. Okay, now go back. Now you can see the ringtone is changed. From same this way you can select a ringtone from aquamorphic themes also. You can see the ringtone is changed. So in case if you want to customize, that means if you want to set a ringtone that you downloaded to a device, then from here you can see one option on this device. Tap on this one. So it will directly go to the file where you download your mp3 file, and from here you can easily select the ringtone. So from here I am going to select the first one. Yeah, I selected this one. Now go back. Now you can see the ringtone is changed. So simply in this way you can change or customize the ringtone in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.